Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon,
Sir.
sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What day is today? Happy Thursday, yeah? Happy Thursday, everyone. How are you today, guys? You good?
I'm good, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Me too.
Nice to hear that. I like your background. I mean, you look like an angel without wings. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. Welcome back, guys. Okay. So, who is absent? Who is not here yet? Let me check. Okay, so we don't have Jimmy yet. Yeah, okay, and Fuadi is not here yet, yeah. Okay. Nurul here. Okay, Rahmi. Okay, Rahmi is also not here. Oh, Rahmi is here. Sorry, I didn't see you earlier, Rahmi. Welcome, welcome. Raden is joining. Okay, Anwar. Okay, Anwar is not here yet. Afan is here. Oh yeah, Anwar is in the waiting room. Let me admit him. Okay. All right. Good. So many of you are here already, so I think we can start. And to start, let's have a little debate. Yeah. What is debate, guys? What is debate? Mhm. What does debate mean?
Debat.
Perdebatan.
Yes, that's right. Do you like to debate?
Yes, I like debat.
Wow, Sophie likes to debate. Okay, so Sophie, you're gonna enjoy this because I want you to debate and with these topics. Okay, the first debate topic is coffee, tea, milk, or juice. Which drink is the best? Okay, Sophie, you first. Which is the best?
Coffee. I think coffee, sir.
Okay, and when you are debating, you must give a reason. So what's your reason? What is your reason why you choose coffee as the best drink?
Uh,
The choices.
at the moment, sir, I thinking.
Oh, all right, okay. Okay. What about which one is the best, do you think, from these drinks?
I think milk, sir.
Okay, why? What's your reason?
Uh, because it's healthy, sir.
Oh, okay. So, anybody want to challenge Amin's reasoning?
I like coffee because it
Okay.
can relieve my sleepiness, sir.
Oh, what do you think about that, Amin? Can you challenge that, Amin? Can you challenge Sophie? Fight him?
Right, sir.
Okay. Hurry up, hurry up. What about the others? Come on, feel free to join, to debate, to
I
challenge each other's
I
reason.
I chose I chose milk tea.
Okay, what's your challenge to Sophie? Because Sophie chooses coffee.
Mm.
I think coffee is unhealthy, sir. Unhealthy.
Okay, Sophie.
No,
What's your defense, Sophie? What's your defense? Amin thinks it's unhealthy. What's your
At the
defense?
moment, sir.
I think coffee can make us focus.
Coffee can make you. Wait, Afan. Afan, what do you choose, Afan?
Oh,
Oh,
coffee, sir.
coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
I I
So,
Sam
chose
Avan.
tea.
Milk,
okay.
sir. Milk, sir.
Milk.
Avan, help me,
Okay.
Avan.
What's your reason? Who can challenge Afan? Afan says coffee makes us focus. Who
I
can
have
challenge?
argument.
Who can challenge that argument? Coffee makes us
I
focus.
I have argument, sir.
Okay, Anwar,
Amin.
share.
Amin. Why coffee is unhealthy? Amin.
Amin, why?
Because children sudden drink coffee.
You're not children. Amin.
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
okay, Amin, do you want to fight back?
Why, sir?
Okay. Okay, what about the girls? I haven't heard from the girls. Come on, Rizkia, Anissa, Rami, Nurul, what do you think?
I don't agree with Afan's opinions
Okay, why? Why? This is it.
because I think uh, not everybody or some people have different, how to say, erection.
Okay, not
He
everyone
said,
become.
Afan said,
Uh-huh.
coffee could make us be focused, right?
Yes, that's
But
right.
because I ever drink coffee,
You're not
and then I
focused.
think I'm still not focused and still sleep.
What do you say? Have fun.
I
Do
have
you?
answer.
Okay, Sophie, help have fun. Go.
Rizkia, woman don't like coffee, Rizkia.
Why are you so
Not
gender?
really. Many
Don't be,
many women like coffee too.
don't be sexy, Sophie.
Why
That's
you're not?
sexy.
Why you're not like coffee, Rizkia?
Because I have acid stomach,
Okay, sit
and
stomach.
after I drink coffee, I feel stomachache.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So the winner is the milk team. Yay! Give applause for the milk team. So from the debate, we can conclude that milk is the best drink, not
Yang lain
coffee.
diam, sir.
Yeah, the others are quiet. Okay, but what are the benefits of milk, by the way?
Milk
Make you healthy.
has calcium, high calcium.
Okay, calcium. What else? Anwar? What about you, Anwar? What are the benefits of milk?
Just healthy because murni. Murni.
Murni, what do you mean murni? Pure. Yeah, murni means
Yeah, pure.
pure. Okay. All right, good, good, good. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Pop, rock, jazz, techno, or dangdut. Which music is good for studying? Okay, I want to hear from Rahmi now. Rahmi, what's your choice and what's your argument? Go.
I think mm, pop is good for studying.
Why? What's your
Me
argument,
too.
Rahmi?
Because pop can make me happy
Okay. Can make you
and
happy and you can focus to study because you're happy.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
any challenge? Anybody want to challenge Rahmi's argument? I think Raden because Raden likes dangdut, right? Raden.
I disagree, sir. I disagree.
Oh, who is that? Wadi?
Wadi, sir. Wadi,
Padi,
yes.
sir.
Okay, why? What's your argument?
No,
Good
why?
Wadi.
Because why I disagree with Pop? He said Pop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think when we listen to the song that Pop, the genre is Pop, maybe we will not focus when we
Oh,
learn. Why? Because
why?
we will sing that song.
Yes, and
Yeah.
you're not paying attention to the lesson anymore.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, what do you think, Rahmi? Do you have any defense? Or do you agree with Afwadi now?
Nah, I'm not agree.
Okay, Anwar, go. What's your challenge? What's your defense for
I
pop?
just pop because it is not as noisy as rock.
It's
And
not as nice as
yes, rock is louder and can disrupt
okay.
people around you, maybe. And many
Okay.
studies say pop makes you calmer than others.
I see.
Yeah,
All right.
types of music, you know.
But what about Fuadi's argument? Fuadi said if you listen to pop music, it will make you lose focus because you enjoy the song or the music very much. Okay, or maybe the best one is Saufi's favorite music, yeah, dangdut, yeah. Oh, nasyid. Sorry, nasyid. I forgot to insert nasyid. Yeah, okay. So the best music is nasyid. Very good. Saufi wins.
There is no the option.
It's not in the option, but it's okay. I like nasyid too.
Instrumental also good for
Yes,
studying.
instrumental. That's right.
Nasyid
Okay,
sorry Islami.
but which one from the genres can disturb concentration, do you think?
Rock
Rock, yeah. Yeah, because it's too
too
noisy or too loud. Yeah.
too loud.
Agree.
What is loud?
Keras, sing.
Terlalu keras.
That's right. It's too loud and it disturbs concentration. And it also disturbs our neighbors sometimes. Yeah. Our neighbors can be angry if our rock music is too loud. Okay, next topic. Abdul Somad or Adi Hidayat? Which ustads is better?
I can choose.
What is it, Rizky?
Ustadz Adi Hidayat, sir.
Okay, Gus Miftah. I mean, that is your favorite ustad. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Gus Miftah. Are you Gus
Amin.
Miftah's?
I prefer.
Uh-huh.
I like Ustadz Abdul
What,
Somad,
sir?
but I prefer Ustadz Adi Hidayat.
What do you mean? I like. Oh, you like Ustad Adi Hidayat better more than.
Yeah,
This is
Why?
a difficult question, sir.
It's a
because his explanation usually using a property, and we can see to the point. Like
I see. So
there's
better,
a whiteboard. Yeah,
better presentation tool. Yeah, the tool is
yeah.
more prepared. Okay. Benefit of Gus, you can umroh. Oh, really, Raden? You can go on go to do umroh if you are a Gus fan. Okay, all right. Okay, well, yeah, this is a hard choice, but who inspires you? In Indonesia, who is the ustad that inspires you the most? Who is the best ustad, do you think, in Indonesia?
Ustadz Adi Hidayat, Ustadz Abdul Somad, Ustadz Khalid Basalamah, Buya Yahya.
All the best.
Wow, all the best. Wow, okay, you guys are very, very kind.
I can't choose.
And the best my teacher, sir.
Your teacher, who is your teacher?
Secret, sir. Secret. Privasi.
Secret. Oh, okay. He has a special ustad teacher. All right. Okay, the next one. Ayu Ting Ting or Luna Maya? Who is more
Lu-
popular?
Dewi Persik,
Ah.
sir.
Dewi Persik, Masya Allah. Astagfirullah. Masya Allah. Why Dewi Persik is the most popular?
Dewi
It's the
Persik.
best famous people, maybe.
But what about Ayu Ting Ting and Luna Maya? Who is more popular, do you think?
Are you thinking?
Are you thinking?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
you can
Because
choose.
I can
Are you
see
thinking, sir?
every day.
That's right,
Oh.
because Ayu Ting Ting is in many shows, yeah, and Luna Maya
Yeah.
is not.
Sambalado, sir. Sambalado.
Sambalado? What do you mean by Sambalado? So,
Lagu yang
Song
dimainkan
I
Ayu Ting Ting.
think.
oh, Ayu Ting Ting song. That's your favorite song, Sophie, yeah? I thought you like
Not,
Nasyid.
sir. Not. I don't like.
But why do
But
you
I
know
think-
it? If you don't like it, why do you know all of the songs, the titles, and everything?
But because I like I watch it. Mana sejak kecil ya, sir.
Since you were a child, you like watching dangdut. Astagfirullah.
No. Orang tua, sir, Mat. Orang tua.
Oh, your parents, and you just watch in the back. Okay. All right. No, yeah, try not to watch too much dangdut. It's not very educative. Okay, so how popular are they, do you think? How popular is Ayu Ting Ting? How many followers does Ayu Ting Ting have on her social media?
Why?
Maybe how billion ya?
Billions? Billions.
1 juta apa artinya, sir?
Oh,
Yeah.
million.
Oh,
Million.
million.
Yes,
Look at
billion
this.
is trillion.
57
Million.
57 billion.
57 millions. Wow.
And
Yes,
what
millions.
Luna Maya?
And what about Luna Maya? How many followers does she have?
38.
38.
Wow. So yeah, Ayu Ting Ting is more popular. All right. Okay, that's it. Dewi Persik, we don't know Sophie. We will check it next time. Sophie is Dewi Persik's fan, yeah? Okay. All right, all right. Now, okay, thank you. That's just a little warmer. Now, look at these sentences, guys. What do you see there? What is the meaning of this word?
Which?
What does
Yang
it mean?
mana?
Bagaimana?
What
Yang
about
mana?
this one?
Apa?
Apa saja?
Very good. And then what about that one?
Siapa?
Siapa
And
yang
the last one.
Berapa? Seberapa?
Seberapa populer mereka?
Very good. Okay, and this is our first topic for today, guys. We're gonna be talking about questions again, but this time focusing on the question with what, which, and how. Let's start with what. So what means apa ya, and we use it with noun. Okay, what is noun? Do you still remember what is noun?
Kata benda.
Very good. For example, can you read it, Rahmi?
Color is your car.
What does it mean?
Apa warna mobilmu?
Very good. So you see, color here is a noun. Yeah, so we follow it with. But sometimes you can use it without a noun. Okay, for example, Raden, can you read it?
What's your favorite color?
Okay, what does it mean?
Apa favorit warnamu? Apa warna favorit kamu?
Very good. So it's without a noun. So can be with noun, can be without a noun. Okay, that's how you use what. And then what about which? Okay, which is the same. We use it with noun and we can also use it without noun. Okay, but be careful when you use it without noun. Is it for things or for people? Only for
Things.
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 You cannot say which is better, Abdul Somad or Adi Hidayat. You cannot say that. Which is better is wrong. If you use which for people, you must say the noun. So which ustad is better? Don't say which is better, Abdul Somad or Adi Hidayat, but you must say the noun which ustad is better. Okay, so be careful there. Okay, and then who, of course, for people or things?
People.
Only for people. And we never use noun after who. We never use noun after who. Never say who the teacher do you like. Wrong. Who the celebrity do you love? Who the friend or who friend is your favorite? We never say noun after who. Okay? Who is alone? Just say who is taller, who is more popular, who is so on. Okay? Never with a noun. For example, let's read example with noun. Can you read it, please? Amin.
Which train did you catch?
Catch.
Catch.
Okay, what does it mean?
Kereta mana yang kamu naiki?
Very good. And then the next example with no noun, Afan, please read it.
Which is bigger, Canada or Australia?
What does it mean?
Yang mana lebih besar, Kanada atau Australia?
Very good. And then the next one, who for people, Yusuf. Okay, Yusuf, no response. Anissa.
How is there? You are Gary.
Who?
Yang
The pronunciation. Who?
Sir.
Joe.
Yang
Joe.
Joe.
Joe. Yes.
Joe.
Joe.
Joe
Or Gary.
or Gary.
What does it mean, Anissa?
Siapa yang lebih tinggi, Joe atau Gary?
Very good. Okay, next. So when do we use what and when do we use which, guys? So pay attention to the meaning. What is the meaning of what again if you translate it to Bahasa Indonesia?
Apa?
Which?
Yang mana?
Yang mana. So what's the difference? What is general and which is specific? There are choices. What is choices?
Pilihan.
Pilihan. All right. So there are usually 2, 3, or 4. Not many. If there are many choices, you use what? Okay. So if there are only 2, 3, or 4, we use which. Okay. Only a small number of choices or possibilities. For example, Rahmi.
We can go this way or that way. Which way shall we go?
What does it mean?
Kita akan pergi.
Bisa. Can means bisa, not akan. Akan is will.
Kita bisa pergi this way.
This way. This, ini, way, jalan. So, lewat jalan ini or lewat jalan itu. And then, what about this one, Rahmi? Why is suddenly Rahmi gone? What happened to Rahmi? Is she disconnected?
He is freezing.
Yeah, her connection is down. So, okay, Anwar, continue. What does it mean? Which way shall we go?
Which way shall we go? Jalan mana yang lebih baik kita lewati?
Very good.
Kita pergi.
Yeah,
Kita lewati.
that's okay. The meaning is the same. So which way shall we go? So you see, because only 2 choices, this way or that way. Next one, Sophie.
Yes, sir. There are 4 umbrellas here. Which is yours?
What does it
Ada
mean?
4 payung di sini. Yang mana milikmu?
Very good. Okay, so that's which. Remember, only small number of possible choices. Yeah, like 2, 3, or 4. But if there are many choices, that means it's general. We use what? For example, Amin.
What's the capital of Argentina?
What does it mean?
Apa ibu kota Argentina?
Very good. So why we use what and not which? Because there are many cities in Argentina. Yeah, there are many choices. That's why we use what. And then another example, please, Irfan.
What sort of music do you like?
What does it mean?
Jenis musik apa yang kamu sukai?
Very good. Okay, Rahmi, that's fine. All right, so you see the difference. What is general? There are many choices. Which is specific? Only small number of choices. All right. And the last one, how? How? How we use it, we always use it with adjective or adverb. What is adjective? Do you still remember?
Kata sifat.
Kata sifat. For example, can you give me example of adjectives?
Tall.
Tall.
Big.
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 Tall.
Small.
Mm.
Fast.
Fast.
Expensive. Beautiful.
Lively.
Good. Bad. Shy. Clean. Anything that describes characteristics, yeah? So this is adjective. So we use how with this kind of words. For example, how tall are you? How big can you, how fast can you drive? How expensive is your phone? How beautiful is your mother? How clean? How clean do you prepare your room? Something like that. And then we also use it with adverb. What is adverb, guys?
Kata keterangan.
Very good. Oh, example, what? Give me some examples of adverbs. You can say how quickly, how well, how cleanly, how fast. So fast can be adjective, can be adverb. Yeah, that's why you see fast here.
Slowly, sir.
Fast here. What is it,
Slowly.
Hafiz?
Slowly.
Slowly, very good. And then there's also beautifully. There's
Badly.
often.
Never.
Suddenly, sir.
So much.
Suddenly.
Fast.
Fast already there. How suddenly and what else?
Actually, sir.
How oh,
Actually.
Actually, bahasa
etc.
Inggris.
Etc. Yeah, etc. So we use how with adverbs. For example, how much? How often? How quickly do you drive? How cleanly do you clean your room? How beautifully do you dance? How well do you sing? How slowly do you walk? How many friends do you have? And so we use it with how, yeah? And these are some examples. Let's read them together. Starting with the first one, please. Nurul. Read the first example, Nurul.
How tall are you? I'm 1 meter 70.
I'm 1 meter. Meter 70.
1 meter 70.
What does it mean?
Berapa tinggi badan kamu? Saya 1 meter 70.
Yes. Very good. Next one, Hafiz. Let's use adverb. Often. Go.
Often, sir. How often do you use your car? Seberapa sering kamu menggunakan mobilmu?
Very good. So,
Setiap hari.
yep, that's right. And the last one, let's hear from Fuadi.
How much was the meal?
What does it mean?
Seberapa banyak makanan itu?
If the question how much, it's usually asking about price, about.
Oh, berapa harga makanan itu?
Yes, that's right. So if you get question how much was the meal, it's usually asking about the price. not about the quantity, yeah, of the meal. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope that's clear. Do you have any questions? Oh yeah, what if there is no adjective or adverb? What does it mean when it's alone, like this one here or this one? Rizkia, what is the first example mean? What does the first example mean? Okay, maybe Rizkia is having a connection problem. Anwar, what does the first example mean?
How? How was the party last night?
Yeah, what does it mean?
Berapa?
There is no adjective or adverb. The meaning is different when it's alone.
Bagaimana pestanya tadi malam?
So remember, when it's alone, it means bagaimana. When it's with adjective or adverb, it means
Berapa? Seberapa?
Berapa?
So be careful, yeah. The meaning changes when it's alone or when it's with adjective or adverb. Okay, and what about the second example? The second example, Yusuf. Yusuf, are you there? Okay, Anissa. Second example, Anissa.
How do you usually do work? Bagaimana bagaimana biasanya kamu berangkat kerja?
Very
By
good.
bus, naik bus.
Very good, Anissa. Good job. Thank you. Okay, now let's practice. Let's practice. Starting with number 1, Raden, go. Number 3. Use what, which, or who.
Yes, sir. You can have tea or coffee. Which do you prefer?
Good job. Choose the next friend.
Nurul.
Nurul, number 4. Number 4, Nurul.
What day is it?
What day is it today? Good job, Nurul. Choose the next friend.
Apa?
Sorry, who? We didn't hear you clearly.
Afan.
Afan, go Afan.
This is a next office. With this is yours.
Very good. Choose the next friend.
Raden.
Raden, go. Number 6.
What is your favorite sport? Maybe sir.
Very good, because it's general, yeah. There are many sports in the world. Choose the next friend.
Hafiz.
Hafiz, go.
Number 7, sir.
Mhm.
Which is more expensive?
Very good, Hafiz.
Or fish? Mana lebih mahal, ikan atau daging?
Yes, next friend, Hafiz.
Wadi, sir.
Wadi, go.
Which is older, Liz or Steve?
Very
People.
good. Oh yeah, this is people. Be careful.
Also, we using who
Yeah.
is older.
Very good. So Liz or Steve are people. That's why you must use who. Choose the next friend.
Amin.
Amin, go.
What kind of camera have you got?
Yeah, what kind? Yeah, be careful with the pronunciation. Everybody repeat, kind.
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 What kind of camera have you got?
What kind of
What
camera
kind
you
of
got?
camera have you got?
Very good. Next friend, Amin.
Anwar.
Anwar, go.
Which camera do you use most?
Very good. Because only 3 choices. Last one, Anwar.
Anissa.
Anissa, go.
What nationality are you?
Excellent, Anissa. Good job, guys. Well done. I think we can skip this. Oh, no, 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 no. Because this is with how. This is important. So, Anissa, choose the next round to do number 2. Rizkia, please. You can use the chat box if you cannot speak, Rizkia.
Rizky, get out, sir.
Oh,
I get out, sir.
Yeah, she went out. Oh, it's okay. Another friend, please, Anissa.
Rahmi.
Rame, go.
How long is it to the station?
Seberapa panjang ke stasiun? Does that sound correct?
No. Wait. I think.
What is the adjective? If you want to ask about this, distance, jarak.
Jauh.
Jauh in English is
far.
Sir.
Far. Say thank you to your friend. Your friend helped you.
Thank you, guys.
Choose the next friend, number 3.
Sophie,
go.
Yes, sir. How old is Helen? She
Good.
26.
Next friend.
At the moment, sir, I see.
Okay.
Irfan Nafis, sir.
Okay, Irfan, number 4.
How often do the buses run?
Good job. Irfan, next friend.
Wadi,
go. Number 5.
Wait, sir. What's in English dalam, sir?
Deep.
Oh yeah. How deep is the water in the pool?
Very good. How deep is the water in the pool? 2 meters. Next, last one.
Sir.
Misran, yeah, choose Misran. Misran was never
Yes, Misran,
chosen.
Misran.
Okay, Misran, take it.
How long have you lived with her?
Lift.
Nearly 3 years. Live.
Very good. Good job. Okay, now time to speak. Get ready to join breakout rooms. I want you to complete the question with what, which, who, or how, and ask each other. Okay, for example, number 1, which one is it? What, which, who, or how?
Wait.
Are you sure?
What, sir?
What, sir?
Because there are many kinds of food in the world. So it's general, yeah? Okay, let's do one more example. Number 2.
How, sir?
How? Good. Okay, and then interview each other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and then join your breakout room.
Wait, sir.
Okay. What is that software?
Sorry.
What are you watching? Okay, now join your breakout room, guys. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, how about number 7?
Number 7, how long?
What long lah? How long lah?
How long?
How long
How long does it take to go from your house to your high school?
Okay. What kind of do you put enjoy the most?
What kind of food? Oh, maybe I will enjoy, this is uh rice, no rice bell, but rice. No. Goreng apa ya goreng? Fried chicken.
Fried rice, sir.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
What do you want to ask again? Ask me.
Okay. Wait, I to think the was. How often do you visit your grandparents?
Every day.
Okay, every day. The next.
Yes, every day.
How
Ini diri.
Amin, what kind of food do you enjoy the most?
I like the food I like most is meatballs.
How about you, Nurul?
Nurul, how are you
Yes.
there?
Yes. White. I like bakso bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Meatballs.
Meatballs.
Ya. Sip.
How about your Rahme?
The food I like most is meatballs too.
Number 2.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
What kind of food do you enjoy the most, Raden?
I soup for mine. You
How
can
about you, Sophie? What kind of food do you enjoy the most?
Chicken soup.
How about you, Irfan?
Siapa?
The food I enjoy today is fried rice.
How often do you visit your grandparents, Raden?
Not often.
Why?
My grandparents are die. How about you, Sophie?
Me? Maybe same with you.
Number 6.
On the same.
Ngelek dan diguning.
Okay, no problem. Huh?
Anwar, what kind of food do you enjoy the most?
Maybe dessert, because its
Oh,
sweet taste makes me want more again.
okay. I see. Misran, connection ya?
Which season do you enjoy the most, Miss Ran? Connect.
His connection ya?
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit my grandparents once a week maybe. Setiap minggu, 1 minggu sekali lah.
Dikira tamu. Oh, I think the job like in factory like that.
No.
Oh. Anissa, ask again, Anissa.
What?
Anissa, how old are you? How old are you, Anissa?
Oh, maybe his connection.
Oh,
Maybe
connection.
you may ask to me again.
Wait. Who is the funniest person in your family?
Eh,
Oh,
Number 6.
Mm, who is the funniest person in your family, guys?
Um, wait, Rame. Person
Phone
of
number Rame.
number Pep
5.
is the funniest person in your family. I think my
nephew.
father.
Not you, Amin.
I think my father.
19.
Sophie, how often do you visit your grandparents?
Not
How
not often.
Number.
often? How often?
How often? How often do you
No,
visit your grandparents, Sophie?
not often, Nafis. How about Raden?
Lalu
Dessert, dessert.
Jangan penutup ya.
Ya, dessert tuh makanan manis. Hidangan penutup.
Oke.
Because it's more relaxed.
How
Afan visit his grandparents once a week.
ya.
Watch a week. Dah. Already.
All right, everybody back?
Back, sir.
Back to
Okay. All right, now let's check. Let's check what your friends answered. Okay. Starting from group 1, I'd like to hear from Hafiz. What kind of food does your friend enjoy the most?
okay, sir. It's Puadi, sir.
Okay.
Puadi said he really enjoys spicy food like fried geprek, sir. Chicken geprek.
Chicken geprek.
Sir.
You mean smashed chicken?
Oh,
Smashed chicken.
chicken geprek, smash
I think
chicken.
this chicken just one language, sir.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Group 2, I want to hear from Nurul. How often does your friend visit their grandparents? Nurul. Nurul.
White sir.
Okay.
Noromina, yes sir.
Okay.
She is once a week.
She visits her grandparents once a week. Repeat. She visits her grandparents once a week. And Nurul's connection is down again. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to group 3. I'd like to hear from Irfan. Which activity does your friend prefer, swimming or running?
Sophie answer running. Activity running is because it is very healthy.
All right, so you say he prefers running. Repeat.
Good, Nafis, good.
He prefers running. Repeat.
He preferred running.
Very good. Group 4, I'd like to hear from Afan. How old is Anwar, Afan?
He said 19.
He is 19 years old. Repeat.
He apa tadi? 19 old.
Don't forget the verb. He is 19 years old.
He is 19 old.
Years old.
He years old.
Okay, repeat. Complete sentence.
He is 19 years old.
Very good. Okay, thank you. That's enough. Now, look at number 7, guys. What word completes the question?
How long does it take
How
to go
long
from
does
your house to your high school?
Okay, now let's translate this. What does it mean when you translate it?
Seberapa lama kamu pergi dari rumahmu menuju sekolah?
Okay, very good. But what about this word? What does it mean?
Memakan waktu.
Memakan waktu.
Yes, memakan waktu. Very good. So this doesn't mean mengambil. Yeah, you can say that. So how long does it take to go from your house to your high school? Berapa banyak waktu yang diambil atau dimakan? Ya. So that's what this structure means. Don't think that. So don't imagine somebody taking something like this. No, this has figurative or metaphorical meaning. It means mengambil or memakan waktu. All right. And this is a very common question. Pertanyaan yang sering ditanyakan in daily conversation. So how long does it take? How much does it take? We usually use this question. And this is our topic for the second lesson today. Okay, how long does it take to do something? So we usually use it to talk about distance. For example, can you read it, please, Raden?
How long does it take? Does it take by flight from New York to Washington? It takes an hour.
Okay, translate it.
Seberapa panjang itu memakan waktu menggunakan pesawat dari New York menuju Washington?
Very good.
Itu memakan waktu selama 1 jam.
Very good.
Seberapa lama?
So long here, not panjang, but lama ya. Seberapa lama? Not so long can be panjang, can be lama. So okay, and this is another structure. So we usually use it with from, to. We also use it and yeah, that's it. Okay. And then we also use to verb 1 after this structure. For example, how long does it take to cook, to cross, to study English, to get IELTS score, to how long does it take to so on. Yeah, so we usually use to verb 1. For example, Anwar, read the first one, please.
Okay, sir. How long does it take to cross the Atlantic by ship?
What does it mean?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk melintasi Atlantik?
Laut Atlantik, ya.
By ship
Yeah.
What Pacific?
Ship is kapal laut.
Oh, Laut Atlantik menggunakan kapal laut.
Very good. And then the next example, please, Sophie.
Yes, sir. I came by train. How long did it take to get here?
What does it mean?
Saya datang dengan kereta api. Kamu berapa lama waktu yang kamu butuhkan untuk sampai di sini?
Okay, don't forget benarkah ya? Did you? Benarkah? Or masa?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next example, please, Rahmi.
How long will it take to get from here to the hotel?
What does it mean?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk pergi dari sini ke hotel?
Very good, excellent. And Raden's phone is low bat. Okay, Raden, that's fine. Next time, charge your phone, okay? All right, so like that, guys. This is a very common structure, so make sure you know how to use it, yeah? And this is the question. How long does it take you? In the past, how long did it take you? For example, what did you do in the past? Let me ask Amin. Amin, what did you do in the past, Amin? What did you achieve? Apa yang kamu raih di masa lalu, Amin? What did you achieve in the past? Is Amin here?
Raport, sir.
Okay, good report. How long did it take you to get the good score? How long
What,
how long did it take you to get a good score?
I get
It took me. How long did it take you to get the good score? Berapa lama yang kamu butuhkan untuk mencapai skor yang bagus itu, raportmu?
2 semester, sir.
2 semester. To get the good score. And then you answer, it took me 2 semesters.
It took me 2 semesters.
Very good, like that. So this is in the past. That's why we use verb to. Yeah, took.
Took.
Yes. What about in the future? We use will, take. Yeah, if it's in the, for example, Afan, how long will it take you to get IELTS score 6?
It will take 8 months
8 months to get IELTS score 6. Okay, amen, yeah, amen. But many students, it took them 1 year to get score 6 for IELTS. So if you want to get it only in 8 months, you must study hard. Okay? Okay, guys. All right. Let's practice now. Please complete number 2, like the example number 1. Rahmi. Yes, Rahmi, can you repeat?
Maybe here.
Okay, Sophie, help her do number 2 for Rahmi, please.
Oh, okay, sir. Maybe I think how long does it take by car from Milan to Rome?
From Milan
Yes, Milan to Rome.
to Rome. Very good. Choose the next friend.
Raden, sir.
Raden was out. His battery ran out.
Oh, okay. Another branch.
Yes.
Maybe Afan, sir.
Afan, number 3.
How long does it take by train from Paris to Geneva?
Very good. From Paris to Geneva. And be careful. We don't say dos, but does. All right. So how long does it take? Everybody repeat. How long does it take?
How long does it take to travel from Milan
Does.
to Rome?
Does
it take?
How long does
How long does it
How
take?
long does it take?
From how long?
Choose the
How
next
long?
friend. The next friend, please, Afan.
Does it take? Padi.
Okay, Wadi, number 4.
How long does it take by bus
Very good.
from city center to the airport?
Excellent. How long does it take from Balangan to the airport in Banjarbaru, guys?
Maybe
It
six,
takes
6 or
hours.
7.
6
Tergantung,
or
sir.
depends.
Dear Andini says 7 hours.
Yes,
Depends on. It depends
6
on
or
what?
7.
Tergantung apa? It depends on what?
Tergantung kemacetan, sir.
Oh, it depends on the traffic.
But
Biasa kalau malam, sir, misalnya jam subuh bisa paling 3 atau 4 jam.
English.
Tergantung kecepatan.
I mean English.
Okay.
Depends on the speed. Okay.
Depends on the speed.
Depends on the speed. Okay. If you're a racer like Rossi or other racers, you can get there fast.
Usually 60 kilometers per hour.
I see. Okay, next. How long does it take to do these things? Okay, we can skip this. Let's do the speaking practice now. I want you to share with your friends what you ever achieved in life and how long did it take you to do it. Okay, for example, my achievement. What is achievement, by the way?
Prestasi.
Yes. My achievement is I got a scholarship. What is scholarship?
beasiswa.
Very good. I got a scholarship to study for my master degree in America. And it took me 3 years to prepare myself. It took me 3 years. Another achievement, I got the heart of my crush, of my first love. That's my achievement. Yes. In high school. Ask me how long did it take you to do it?
Test memory.
Ask me guys, come on. How long did it take you to do it? Ask me.
How long did it take you to do it, sir?
It took me 3 semesters to win her heart and make her love me.
How about no, sir?
How about
Is
what?
your wife?
No, she's not my wife. This is my first love.
Oh, the first love, yes, sir.
Yes, my
Sir,
first love.
are you gamon, sir?
What is gamon?
Gagal move on.
Oh, no. I have moved on. I just remember that it's also my achievement because I was so proud when I got her.
Are you miss her, sir?
Do I miss her? Of course not, because now I'm married. Yeah, I'm a faithful. How do you say setia in English? I'm a faithful husband. Okay, not like you. You're not faithful. You're a playboy.
No, I think just Jimmy.
Just Jimmy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I want you to share about this. Yeah. Share. If you can share three achievements. If you can. If you cannot, just one. It's okay. Okay. Clear?
Okay, clear.
All right. If it's clear, get ready to share in the
Breakout room.
That's right. I will give you 10 minutes for this. Or you know what? Let's make it 15 minutes. Okay, go ahead. Don't forget to speak up. I will monitor, all right?
Alrighty. What, Mr. Ron?
Why is no one speaking? Come on, speak, speak, speak.
I'm first. I received an award as Genre Ambassador for Balangan District in 2023, and the preparation took a long time, around 2 months, maybe, or
Uh,
2 months. No, just 1 month and 2 weeks.
So you say it took me 1 month and 2 weeks to prepare everything.
1 month and 2 weeks to prepare it.
Don't forget to practice using it took me.
It took me.
What? Yeah, make it complete. It took me 1 month and 2 weeks.
It took me 1 month.
Yes.
And 2 weeks.
To prepare.
To prepare for
The
ambassador.
Yeah, for the competition.
For the
contest.
competition.
Okay, good. Okay, that's one. Next, ask the others.
How about you, Afan?
oh, Misran, answer Misran.
Misran, sorry.
Profesor. I profession digital painting and illustration. It took me 4 years of consistent practice and learning. And what about you, Irfan?
Me, I got three place in my school. It took me 1 year to study by myself.
Very good.
How about you, Nurul?
It took me 2 months to memorize pages of the Quran.
Okay.
Mashallah.
Mashallah. Mashallah. Very good. Nurul.
Thank you, sir.
Satu lagi,
Okay,
23 Pak.
share more achievements. Share more achievements, okay? Until the time is out.
Okay. I will three hosts with my brother. It took us 3 weeks of planning and building.
What did you achieve?
Membuat rumah pohon, sir.
Oh, you made a tree. You made a house tree. Wow! And how long did it take you to make it?
3 weeks, sir.
Wow, you're so creative. Very good.
Good, Afan, good.
Okay, good achievement. Good achievement. All right. What about your next achievement, Irfan and Nurul?
Wait, I think.
Okay. What about you, Nurul?
My achievement, I managed to get first place in the quiz competition during the Balangan District Children's Forum January in 2024. How about you, Amin?
Wow.
How long did it take you to prepare to win it, Sophie?
Maybe it suddenly, sir, tiba-tiba saja.
So it took you how long? Only 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, only 5 minutes?
Maybe 3 days.
So it took me 3 days to
3 days.
prepare.
3 days
To prepare myself. Okay, next achievement. Share.
How about you, Amin?
I got a dance certificate after took part in a dance competition.
How long did it take you to prepare?
1 month, sir.
It took me 1 month to prepare. Complete sentence.
I took me 1 month. It took me 1 month
to prepare.
Like that, sir.
Yes, like that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next.
I got an achievement on graduation day. It took 3 years to get it.
It took me 3 years to get it.
It took me years to get.
Okay, very good. Next achievement, please.
Okay.
So, Rahmi, so your achievement is in competition of mathematics. Oh, that's a great achievement.
Thank you.
How long did it take you to get that achievement?
She said it took Rahmi.
It took her.
2 weeks. Oh, it took her 2 weeks to study more in mathematics and prepare herself more.
Oh, wow, very good. Only 2 weeks and you could win? You're genius. You're smart, Rami.
He is very smart, sir.
Very good, Rami. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next achievement. Share your next achievements, please. There are still 7 minutes.
Okay. What is your achievement again, Anissa? Maybe you can explain my achievement just now.
What he said, he got
And
it took.
Very good. Excellent, Fuadi. What about the others? Do you also still remember all of that? So what's the difference?
How long does it take?
How long?
Very good.
What, which, how?
Very good. What's the difference between what and which?
What is general and which is specific?
Wow, Fuadi is also a genius. Good job, Fuadi. Give applause for Fuadi too, guys. Well done.
Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you.
Always focus, okay? Try to focus like Fuadi. All right. Okay. Now, before we close and I check your attendance, I want to tell you tomorrow our class will be at 2 o'clock. Okay. I want you to tell your friends who are absent today. So tell Jimmy, tell who else is absent? Tell Yusuf.
What, sir? In 2 o'clock, yes, sir.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. Okay. Tomorrow the class is at 2 o'clock, not 2:30, because I have something important to do.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Change the schedule only for tomorrow. Is that clear?
Yes, it's so clear, sir.
All right.
Clear.
Now listen to your name. I will check your attendance. Anissa,
I'm here, sir.
Rizky Ardandi,
I'm here.
Ihsanul Amin, Ihsanul Amin, absent? Absent. Where are you, Amin? Why are you not saying anything? Oh, he's disconnected. Okay.
Sir,
Oh, you're here. Okay, I didn't see it.
I
Okay.
need to poop, sir.
You need to what?
Kabalat.
Oh, you need to.
Kabalat.
Okay, go. You can go now. Irfan Hafiz,
Present, sir.
Misran,
I'm here, sir.
Yusuf, Rusma. Okay, Rusma is already out. Sophie,
Present, sir.
Hafiz,
I'm here, sir.
Rahmi, Nurul,
I'm here, sir.
Raden, Wadi,
Present, sir.
Jimmy, absent. Anwar,
I'm here, sir.
Afan.
I'm here, sir.
All right, that's it. Don't forget, tomorrow the class is at 2 o'clock. I will see you then and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you for today, sir.
All right,
Thank
Thank you
bye-bye.
for today, sir.
Thank you for today, sir.
Bye-bye.